Alright, yo, what's up? We got ourselves an NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Not one car drives by that makes noise. Second camera goes on, you heard it. You heard it. It's not a lie. No, it's not. There's no way I could even stage that. I'm in my house. Anyway, NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. What is the purpose behind this? For Dolby Vision on my OLED. The old NVIDIA Shield doesn't have Dolby Vision support and 4K AI upscaling. You upscale something that's like 1080p to 4K. Does it work really well? I have no idea. It has the Tegra X1 Plus processor. I mean, it's nothing really special. They say it's 25% faster. I know the Nintendo Switch uses the same processor. The old Nintendo Switch, and then the new one, the only thing that changed, it's more efficient, so you get more battery life. That's how it gets it, you know, because the processor is more efficient. I was waiting for the Ampere version instead of this like Turing version of this, but that's probably going to be with the what is that thing called? The Nintendo Switch Pro or whatever they want to call it. And whenever that does release or come out, it'll be a while. It's not now. I mean, we barely get GPUs, we barely get anything, so there's no point for me waiting. Anyway, very simple. Open up the box, cut the tape. There you go. It's out. Got my tea over there. Please excuse this mess. Those are little UV light bag things, so you put your phone in there, and, you know, cleans the front and back with the UV light. This is the new remote. Oh wow, it's a little pyramid design. I thought it was plastic, but it feels just like the old one, like that like CNC feel. Let me go get the other remote. It's really dusty because the battery died. Luckily on the OLED, you can still use your TV remote to control the Shield, or you just use the app on your phone. But just the battery's dead. This one has a huge button for Netflix. That's funny. I don't know how much they were paid to do that, but I do have multiple Netflix subscriptions, so that's nice. I'm glad it doesn't say Disney Plus, because I would never click that button. Also, Netflix has the most Dolby Vision content that I can easily click and access for free without paying $10 a movie or whatever it costs to rent a movie. I don't know if these buttons light up, but yeah, this is nice. I also have no idea how to get the battery out of this thing, but maybe you click, maybe you slide. I'm really gonna have to look it up because I have no idea. Now it seems like the whole thing's connected. Now I'm gonna have to read the manual. I really don't know. Here is the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Looks like there's got like some dust on it or whatever, some marks. Wiping on it still has the marks. Let me use a wet wipe. Okay, the wet wipe was able to get rid of the marks. I was a bit concerned there. I'm cleaning the, you know, that little glossy plastic part. Easily gets scratches even if you just look at it. Here's the back of it. Okay, so the top, sides, still has that funky design. Little NVIDIA logo. The other side again. Here's the fan where it breathes out, if you can see it. The USB, HDMI. Nothing's really changed on the power cable. Nothing has changed, really. We go inside. You have the power cable for the US outlets and a little quick start guide, if this would like to come out. A little support guide. And yep, nothing else beneath that. Yeah, quick start guide is pretty simple too. Shield TV, connected to the wall, connected to TV, HDMI, and then that's it. NVIDIA.com/connect. Yeah, it's pretty simple. The reason why you get this, you simply like it more than you like using other Android TVs or whatever. Alright, well, I'm gonna hook this up to the TV and hop back. Alright, I know the audio is really bad right now, but basically it's on the Connect screen. Let's just adjust this camera 1 second. Alright, so the TV is on. Here's the remote. I had to turn the lights off, otherwise, you know, reflections. So, press a button, connect. It's lighting up. It connected. Quickly set up with your Android phone. Yeah. Okay, go. Oh, I'm recording a video.
Never.